landed yesterday and we are heading for breakfast. तेज हो रही है ना? Oh my god. Stop recording! Our breakfast is here. So this is strawberry and banana pancakes with some scrambled eggs and potatoes. This is omelette and this is a strawberry and banana smoothie. हमने अभी breakfast किया at Danny's and the food was good but the service was not good. अब हम जा रहे हैं Banff National Park which is near Calgary, approximately 150 kilometers from Calgary, and it's gonna take us 1.5 hours. And this is the most beautiful national park in Canada. Like it is the most. मैंने सिर्फ photos में देखा है, but now I'm gonna see it in real. But the thing here is, like now it's completely covered with snow because of course यहाँ पे अभी winters चल रहे हैं and it's -5 degrees today. Though it's sunny, but it's still like covered with snow and everything. और ये पार्क पहला ऐसा पार्क है जो कनाडा में बना था. I mean it's the first national park that was made in Canada. And yeah, I mean it looks more beautiful in summer. I hope हम summers में यहाँ पे दोबारा वापस आएंगे. But let's see. So you have to buy a pass to visit Banff National Park. Expires? It's for $21 for one day.
Yeah.
We have reached Banff, and this is an overpass that is made for animals, ताकि वो they can pass the road. So we are on our way to Lake Louise. Lake Louise? No, with no water. Now it's coffee time. So this Fairmont was built in 1800s. We grabbed a coffee from Fairmont and now we are heading to Banff. Banff. We are in the Banff village, just strolling down. ये यहाँ का डाउनटाउन है. This is a very famous fudge shop here in Banff. You get a lot of different type of fudges. It's turtle fudge, salted caramel fudge, also some chocolates. I think we're gonna take this one. Caramel nut apples, all the flavors, raspberry, chocolate peanut fudge. Just strolling down Banff. Started snowing. We just grabbed some fries from McDonald's and a Coke. and Lake Louise. Now we're going back to Calgary for dinner. So it's Tushar's favorite restaurant in Calgary. That is called Meherba. Maharba?
Marhaba.
Marba.
Marhaba.
Marhaba.
It's a Pakistani restaurant.
It's a Pakistani restaurant. And
The food is really good.
the food is really good. This is how the weather of Calgary turned out. Zero visibility with snowstorm. God. So we have reached Marhaba, Tushar's favorite place. So the food is here. I usually don't eat in a restaurant which is totally empty. Like, there is no one, literally no one. So I really didn't like the food of Marhaba. We are here in a South Indian restaurant. Tushar had already had his dinner, but it's my time now. We are at Savoy's to have the Mysore masala dosa. It's good. I didn't like the food that much. I'll give 3 out of 5. Whereas if I go to Sarvana in BC, I would rate it out like 4.5 out of 5. 4.5 out of 5, yeah. But I didn't like the food that Calgary is a no-no for food. A big no.